amazing oven fries. Listen, the thing about food, about the bottom of the jar, like the pickle jar here, this pickle juice, this is gold, everybody.
It's
This has got
magic. It's
salt.
everything.
It's everything. I mean, my business partner, Steve, his grandfather used to drink pickle juice. I believe in a rocking chair. We're not going to do that. We make amazing, amazing fries, oven fries with this pickle juice. Okay. So we're going to take some Idaho potatoes and we're going to just cut them up and we're going to throw them in this pickle juice and let them brine for like an hour. You know, I use this for everything. I use it for salad dressings. We use it to.
It's everything. It's everything. Never throw pickle juice away.
Like this is what you do. So you put them in here, you let them chill, you pull them out, and then you simply just take your French fries here, a little bit of oil, and this is the way that this is like the gateway French fry for my kids at home, right? A little bit of salt, but you don't even really need it because of the pickle juice. So we just toss it up here, and we're just going to put it into the oven. Now, this has got acid, this has got salt, this has got really, really good stuff. We're going to go into a 350.
Michael, the great thing about this is there's no effort.
Really, the big thing here is we're all thinking about food waste, right? And we're all thinking about how to do our part. And this is a way to utilize product, right? This is how we talk in restaurants. We want to utilize product to lower the food cost so we're not wasting and we're doing really creative, awesome things. So you're not going to throw out the pickle juice. Let's check on our potatoes that are roasting, that are fantastic. 25 to 30 minutes later, we've got these French fries that everybody's going to eat. Everybody's going to eat these. All right. So we're going to let these rest for a second. And I've got a mixture here of our Tehina. This is our end of the jar Tehina, a little bit of ketchup, and amba, which is a mango pickle. So we're going to just drizzle this. Now, we can use things like sweet potatoes. We can use sunchokes. We can even use squash, and we can brine it and we can roast it the way that we're doing it. And it's already seasoned because of that fantastic, fantastic brine. All right. And that is it.
I am such a geek for Michael. I just don't know what to tell you. These are the most essential books in my life. And I mean, the oven fries are kind of breaking my brain with the Tehina Ketchup.